Imagine walking outside during a storm and suddenly fish start falling from the sky. As strange as it sounds, this is a real natural phenomenon known as raining fish. It usually happens when powerful storms create waterspouts or strong winds over oceans, lakes, or rivers. These spinning columns of air can suck small fish and other aquatic animals high into the atmosphere. When the storm moves over land and begins to weaken, the fish fall back to the ground, sometimes miles away from where they were lifted. Nature often surprises us, reminding us that our planet is full of mysterious and fascinating phenomena.